To understand the market move that we're seeing lately, a good move is what we're seeing on Nifty Bank. Let's just pull up the Nifty and see if we've seen any recovery from the day's low for the Nifty. And yes, we have. We're once again slightly above the 25,100 mark. Manas, hi and welcome to the show. Give us a sense of the kind of recovery that we've seen. Although it's been nominal from the day's low, we seem to have recovered. And Nifty Bank, that momentum continues. About a 250 point uptick is what we're seeing. What are you making about both of these on the charts?
Of its previous rally from the level of around 24,400 to 25,600. Now it is trying to make base over here, but I think still I don't see any sign of reversal on the charts, or especially on the intraday chart. So I think one should wait for a breakout above 20-day moving average. If Nifty breaks 25,300, then definitely one can create long position. However, at current levels, I think you should wait for some more time. However, if it breaks 24,900, which is 61.80% retracement level, then you can create short position. In that case, Nifty can go down and test 24,600 again. So at current levels, I think just avoid Nifty at current levels. However, on Bank Nifty, yes, Bank Nifty is showing a lot of strength. It has already regained 10-day and 20-day moving average. So here one can create long positions. Stop loss should be around 56,800. On the upside, Bank Nifty can test 57,300.
Honest, just looking at some of the movers, and given that you just talked about Nifty Bank, you are seeing a bit of a scale up on the Nifty Bank as well, and some of the smaller names, your BOB and the likes, are the ones which are scaling up higher. Within the smaller PSB pack, what is it that you're liking, if anything at all is popping up on the radar?
See, I think PNB and Bank of Baroda, both the stocks are looking strong on the charts. But if you want to pick one stock, then I think you should go for Bank of Baroda, because we have seen some correction. Bank of Baroda has taken support near 20-day moving average. It regained 10 and 20-day moving average. So here one can play for a bounce back. Take a long position here. Stop loss should be around 240 and target would be around 250.
Right, well, Manas, what about the auto pack? Once again, the whole sector is buzzing in Hero MotoCorp, leading it from the front. Any stock that is looking good to you on charts?
See, I am a little bullish on Ashok Leyland. However, this is not a intraday or one or two trading sessions call. But if you can take position for next 1 to 2 months time, then definitely you can take a chance in Ashok Leyland, because it is making a flag pattern, and I think after some more consolidation, you can see a breakout. So in Ashok Leyland, you can take a position trade. Stop loss should be around 240 and target would be around 270.
Okay, so that's the take on Ashok Leyland and some of the other auto counters. But Manas, we're seeing the entire fertilizer space sprucing up in today's trade. A case in point being RCF. You have Fact that's doing well. What are you seeing on the charts for some of these fertilizer counters?
See, I think in fertilizer you can play for a bounce back for almost 5 to 6%. Especially Fact, where stock corrected, it took support near 100-day moving average, and today we have seen a lot of buying interest. Stock has already regained 10 and 20-day moving average. So here you can play for a bounce back. Stop loss should be around 950, and here the target would be around 1050.
Right, that's that on some of the fertilizer names. But HCL Technologies, that's not really showing any signs of a recovery. In fact, while HCL Technologies is down, Infosys is actually the one which is holding out in trade. Manas, how are you reading into the charts of some of these IT majors? Do you see more selling coming in on HCL Technologies? Has the selling now been arrested on a TCS? And what happens to Infosys here then?
So I think one should remain cautious on IT, because Nifty IT index is still making lower tops and lower bottoms. It is trading below 50-day and 20-day moving average. And looking at the pattern, I think Nifty IT index can go down and test 36,000 if it breaks 37,000. So the weakness is there. I think one should not create long position, especially in the large cap IT names like Infi, SCL Tech, TCS.
Not just the fertilizers, even the agrochemical plays that are doing well. And one such stock is actually UPL, has been one of those strong candidates. If you can help us with the chart check on this one, because it's already a 2% move, and I believe that the stock is almost at the yearly highs for itself.
See, I am very much bullish on UPL for long term, like 6 to 7 months time, because I see a lot of strength on the monthly chart, and I believe that UPL has potential to test around 800 in next 6 to 8 months time. So if you can invest money for long term, you can create long position here. Stop loss should be around 615 for the long term. If you're talking about trading, I think for a bounce back, you can take a long position at current levels also, because on the intraday chart, stock has given a confirmation of higher tops and higher bottoms, and it regained 10-day moving average. So in UPL, you can take a long trade at current levels. Stop loss should be around 664, and target would be around 685.
So that's the take on UPL. But while we are talking about sectors in focus, Nifty Metal has emerged as the top sectoral loser right now. Almost a 0.3% cut on Nifty Metal, and even within the metal space, it's particularly the steel counters that are not doing very well at all today. You have Tata Steel, JSW Steel, Jindal Steel. All of them are down and out about 1% or more. Manas, what's your take on some of these steel counters on the charts?
Yeah, I think this is a consolidation, because we have already seen a big rally in last 1 to 2 months time in most of the metal counters. So I think this is a consolidation. The undertone is still bullish. If you want to pick one stock in steel sector, I think you can definitely go long in Tata Steel at current levels. Positionally, you can create long position. Stop loss should be around 149, and here I think stock can test 175 in next 1 or 2 months time.
So, Manas, leave us with your stock ideas, your top recommendations.
So first one is a buy call on State Bank of India. I think stock has broken the key resistance of 815 today. So I think stock is ready for a next up move. So in State Bank of India, one can create long position. Stop loss should be around 810. Target would be around 840. And second is a buy call on Polycab, where this is a flag pattern breakout. Stock has been making higher tops and higher bottoms from the level of around 5800. So in Polycab, you can create long position. Stop loss should be around 6839, and here the target would be around 7025.
Those are the two buy calls coming in from Manas, SBI as well as Polycap India. But thank you so much, Manas, for taking the time out and speaking with us. Really appreciate that. But with this, let's